Thank you for your time.
Ikaw talaga, ha? Ito, oh. Kainin mo pa yan,
me up and memorable one. To parents dear, thank you so much. We love you all. Thank you for putting God bless us all.
Nanay, get ready with your support.